When water stops, most people panic and rush to the water aisle. That's the wrong move. Storing water isn't the hard part. Managing it without wasting, contaminating, or running out before help arrives is what actually gets families through. These 18 items make every gallon work harder. Most cost just a few dollars, and several are things most survival guides completely ignore. The key isn't simply having water, it's knowing how to protect it, distribute it, conserve it, and use it safely when normal service disappears. Number 18. Gallon freezer bags. Possibly the highest utility per dollar item on this list. Instead of mixing or seasoning food in a bowl that needs washing, use a sealed gallon freezer bag. Shake or massage everything from the outside, then throw the bag away. No bowl, no water, no cleanup. Beyond food, these bags protect batteries, matches, medications, and important documents from moisture. During an outage, spills become more common, and water damage is harder to fix. A few inexpensive freezer bags can prevent problems that would otherwise consume valuable water or destroy critical supplies. Number 17. Knowing how to shut off your main water valve. The most important item costs nothing and takes 15 minutes to learn. When municipal water shuts down, pressure changes can create backflow conditions, allowing contaminated material into your plumbing. Close your main valve and your home's system stays isolated. Leave it open and you have no control over what enters your water supply. Find your shutoff valve now and confirm you can access it. Determine whether it requires a specialized key. 15 minutes and zero cost can protect your household better than almost anything else on this list. Number 16. Rinse-free bathing wipes. After several days without running water, skipping showers becomes a hygiene problem. Sweat, oils, and bacteria build up steadily. Baby wipes work, but they're small and you'll need many of them for an adult body. Rinse-free bathing wipes are larger and designed specifically for full body cleaning without water. One or two can cover the body efficiently: face, neck, arms, torso, legs, and feet. Always use a fresh wipe for sensitive areas. Seal the package tightly after opening and check expiration dates before storing. Hygiene matters even when water doesn't flow. Number 15. Water dispenser jug with spigot. Every time someone drinks from a 5-gallon container, they may have to tilt more than 40 pounds toward a cup. That's difficult to control and risky for older adults. A countertop dispenser jug with a spigot solves the problem. It stays at an accessible height, no lifting, just press and stop. But don't let cups or dirty hands touch the nozzle. Keep the lid closed between refills and clean the spigot regularly. Choose BPA-free, food-grade plastic with a durable valve. Better dispensing means less water wasted and less physical strain. Number 14. Rapid dissolving toilet paper. Standard toilet paper depends on a powerful flush to carry it away. Remove that flush and thick paper can clump, accumulate, and clog portable toilets or temporary waste systems. Rapid dissolving toilet paper uses shorter, loosely woven fibers designed to break down quickly when wet. You don't need to replace your normal supply. Just keep several rolls specifically for emergencies. Store them sealed in their original packaging and away from bathroom humidity. It's a simple, inexpensive swap that can prevent a surprisingly unpleasant sanitation problem when conventional plumbing isn't available. Number 13. Pump pressure sprayer. Watch what happens when someone rinses their hands from a 5-gallon container. Water pours unevenly, hits the floor, and gets wasted. Multiply that across several people and several days, and you're losing gallons. A pump pressure sprayer delivers controlled water exactly where it's needed. Keep 2 clearly labeled, one for clean tasks and one for dirty surfaces. They never switch roles. And never use a garden sprayer that previously held pesticides. Chemical residue can remain inside seals. When every gallon matters, controlled dispensing becomes one of the easiest ways to reduce waste. Number 12. Heavy-duty latching storage tote. Gel bags handle waste containment, but they need protection too. Sharp edges can puncture them, insects can reach organic waste, and odors can eventually escape through soft material. A heavy-duty tote with locking latches creates another barrier. It protects the bags, helps contain odors, and keeps insects away. But one rule is absolute. A waste tote stays a waste tote. Never use it for food, water, or clean supplies later. Keep it somewhere appropriate and ventilated. 2 layers of containment are far safer than improvising once the emergency has already started. Number 11. Stainless steel insulated tumbler. This looks like a comfort item, but it can become a hydration tool during a serious outage. When power fails alongside water service, indoor temperatures can climb quickly. Warm water becomes less appealing, and people may drink less. A double-wall insulated tumbler keeps water cooler for hours, encouraging consistent drinking. Individual labeled tumblers also eliminate shared cup contamination. Keep one for each household member. Something as simple as keeping water cold and accessible can make a major difference when heat, stress, and limited water combine. Number 10. Oral rehydration salts. Here's what most people don't realize. During vomiting or diarrhea, plain water doesn't replace the electrolytes your body loses. Oral rehydration salts combine sodium, potassium, and glucose in a precise ratio that helps restore fluids efficiently. The instruction most often ignored is simple. Mix each packet with exactly the amount of water specified. Too much dilutes it. Too little makes it dangerously concentrated. Keep at least 3 days' worth per person. Store packets sealed and dry, and make sure everyone knows where they are before an emergency happens. Number 9. Collapsible wash basin. Here's a mistake almost every household makes. The same basin rinses produce, washes hands, and cleans dirty surfaces. During an outage, that contamination compounds with every use. The fix costs only a few dollars, a collapsible wash basin. But don't buy one. Buy 3. Color code them. 1 for food preparation, 1 for hands and face, and 1 for gray water. That third basin can collect used water for flushing toilets or cleaning non-food surfaces, saving gallons you'd otherwise waste from your drinking supply. Number 8. No rinse foaming hand wash. During a water outage, people often assume that if hands look clean, they're clean. That's not necessarily true. Grease and organic residue can remain even when visible dirt disappears. No rinse foaming hand wash helps lift that material without requiring a sink. Rub it into your hands, then wipe it away with a paper towel. Set up hygiene stations near food preparation areas and the portable toilet. Each station needs the wash, dry paper towels, and a covered trash bin. Keep everything stocked and separated. Proper hand hygiene becomes critical when water is limited. Number 7. Wheeled water storage container. When community water distribution begins, collecting water creates another problem. A full 5-gallon container weighs roughly 42 pounds. Carrying that repeatedly can be difficult and risky, especially for older adults. A wheeled container with a retractable handle lets you roll that weight instead of carrying it. But test your route beforehand because stairs, gravel, and uneven surfaces can still be difficult. Always choose a food-grade, BPA-free container with a secure lid. This isn't about storing more water. It's about making the water you collect physically manageable when you need to move it repeatedly. Number 6. No rinse shampoo cap. Possibly the most overlooked item here. Unwashed hair creates itching and scalp irritation, adding discomfort when everything else is already difficult. Washing over a basin can also require bending and sustained effort. A no-rinse shampoo cap eliminates both problems. Place it over the head, massage the scalp through the cap for 2 to 3 minutes, remove it, and blot dry. No bending heavy containers or water on the floor. For older household members, that independence matters. Check expiration dates because the cleaning solution inside loses effectiveness over time. Store the caps sealed and ready to use. Number 5. Portable Peri bottle. There's a daily need almost never mentioned in preparedness guides: bathroom hygiene without running water. Wet wipes and pouring water from a cup are messy and inefficient. A portable Peri bottle with a soft squeeze body and angled nozzle directs water exactly where it's needed without significant twisting or bending. A gentle squeeze provides controlled cleaning while using very little water. For anyone with limited flexibility, it also reduces the need to maneuver while holding a container. Less water wasted, fewer spills, and more independence when normal bathroom facilities aren't available. Number 4. Gel-based waste bags. For apartment and high-rise residents, waste becomes a serious problem when there's no outdoor storage space. Standard trash bags can leak when liquid waste accumulates. Gel-based waste bags contain super-absorbent material that turns liquid into a more stable gel, reducing sloshing and leakage. Many use a heavy-duty outer bag and secure closure. Follow the manufacturer's shelf life because humidity can degrade the absorbent material. Always wear gloves when handling waste. Remember, the gel controls liquid and odor, but it doesn't sterilize the waste. Proper containment is still essential. Number 3. Canned and boxed emergency water. Most households store emergency water in plastic bottles, which is a reasonable starting point. But heat and direct sunlight can affect plastic over time. Aluminum cans and multi-layer cartons offer another option because they block light and provide durable packaging. These shouldn't replace your main water supply. Placement matters too. Someone sleeping far from the primary storage shouldn't have to cross a dark house during an emergency just to get a drink. Keep a small supply nearby for immediate access, rotate stored water according to the manufacturer's guidance, and inspect packaging regularly. Number 2. Gravity water filter system. By day 2 or 3 of an outage, stored water may disappear faster than expected. That's when people start considering rainwater, wells, or streams. A gravity filter makes treating larger quantities easier than squeeze or straw filters. Fill the upper reservoir, and gravity pulls water through the filtration media automatically. No pumping or squeezing. But remember the limitation. Standard filters aren't designed to remove every virus, chemical, or heavy metal. Never assume filtered water is automatically safe from every contaminant. Depending on the source, additional treatment may still be required. Number 1. Heavy-duty disposable tableware. Most people plan to wash dishes using less water during an outage. What they forget is that every wash creates contaminated wastewater you still have to manage. Heavy-duty disposable tableware eliminates that problem. Sugarcane fiber plates are rigid and heat-tolerant, making them better than cheap foam. Test utensils before relying on them because lightweight plastic can break under heavy food. When supplies run low, line a rigid tray with foil and discard the liner. You save clean water, reduce wastewater, and eliminate unnecessary cleanup when sanitation resources are already limited. The families who prepare for those problems don't just store water, they build a system around it. Hit like, subscribe for daily survival videos, and drop a comment. Which of these 18 items surprised you the most?